Hi everyone, this is CNA Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel, and we all are waiting for the GST amnesty scheme. No, actually we are waiting for the GST council meeting that is going to happen on 28th, that is tomorrow. And major reason is that we are waiting for this meeting is the GST amnesty scheme. And now I was reading that article, so I come to know that this Business Today is saying that GST Council likely to announce amnesty on delayed returns. They're actually saying it that GST Council meeting is likely to announce. Reason being, their sources are saying this thing. And in this late returns in this amnesty scheme, we can file the returns from the July 1, 2017. That is again a big thing, until the month of April for this year. So it means we can file for these previous years GST returns without any late fees. But hang on, this is just for the nil returns they are saying. They are saying that a person who are not able to file the returns, reason being they are like the nil returns. So they are also saying that now we are faced with a situation where even in case of nil returns, the late fees and interest have zoomed. So in the case of nil returns, that window will be open from June 1 till August 31. And if there is any liability to pay the taxes, in that case they are saying that there is a late fees will be there. So the late fees will be 1000 rupees will be there. So here it is, additionally late fees of ₹1000 will be charged from the taxpayers who were liable to pay tax during the period between July 17 to April 2021. And also, interestingly, an RTI application has revealed that almost ₹100 crore has been collected by way of late fees on GST 3B and other returns by the government between April 1st, 2019 and April 30, 2021. Data on late fees collection for the period between GST rollout and March 2019 is unavailable as per the RTI reply. 100 CR just for the late fees. Obviously, it's a very big amount. Under the GST regime, massive penalty is imposed for non-furnishing of returns. In case of zero tax, obviously late fees is there of 20 rupees per day, and if there is a tax, then in that case late fees is 50 rupees per day per return. So, and the late fees is capped at rupees 10,000 per return per month. And it's actually a huge amount. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. We have to wait for the council meeting. I mean, like, we are left with very few hours. So let's see what is going to happen. And most likely GST amnesty scheme will be announced. And if it will happen, then obviously you can file your GST returns without any late fees. I got so many queries in my latest GST videos that when this GST amnesty scheme will come. And I hope by tomorrow government will announce this. Let's see. Bye.